Hi friends, today I'll show you how to run the HTML to RTF.Net component on a Linux system. In my example, this Ubuntu version. We will believe that you have installed Visual Studio Code and you have minimal knowledge of working in this system. So, let's begin. Create a folder and name it HTML2RTF. Place in this folder any HTML file that you want to convert to RTF. In my example, it's sample.html. Launch Visual Studio Code and select the tab Open Folder and specify the folder we created. A new project will be created in this folder and all project files will be stored inside. Next, you need to create a project. To do this, select New Terminal and enter the command .NET new console. Press enter. This process is very easy, and as a result you will see the message: the template console application was created successfully. Next step, you must choose the HTML to RTF.c project file. This file will contain all records of third-party packages that are required to run the project under Linux. Don't worry, these dependencies are completely free and very easy to install. So, select the Go to File tab and enter the command to load dependencies via NuGet. NuGet add package. Enter the package name, sautinsoft, and select the latest version of sautinsoft.htmltortf. You can see that the line has been added to our project, which confirms that you have added a new dependency. By the same rules, add the rest of the dependencies: System.io packaging, System.Text.Encoding.CodePages, System.Xml.XPath.XmlDocument, ZKWeb.System.Drawing, Newtonsoft.Json. So we have added all the necessary dependencies and can proceed to the verification of the project. Debug, start debugging. You may receive the message, required assist to build the HTML or RTF. And the question, add them, click yes, and restore project. The next step is to write code directly to convert your HTML file to RTF file. Add using System.io using Sautinsoft. Next, add 2 lines of code. In the first, we indicate that we will use HTML to RTF component. In the next line, specify the path for the input HTML file and the output result as RTF or docx. Launch our project. Depending on the size of your HTML file and the power of your computer, this process can take several seconds. As a result, in the terminal window you will see the messages that build succeeded, 0 warning, 0 error. Go to the project folder and open the resulting RTF file. Using HTML.RTF component by Sautinsoft, you can easily convert any HTML file using Linux, Windows, or Mac OS. Thank you.